Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade from Windows 11 24H2 unsupported hardware without reinstalling your Windows or use any extra tools. Now, if you're looking to get Windows 11 25H2 and you're having issues, this is the perfect video for you because I'm going to walk you through the steps how to easily get that. So guys, the first thing you want to do is currently check your computer if you have the latest updates on Windows, and you can currently right click if you're using Windows 11 or so. You can go to the settings by right click on the Windows icon and go to settings, right? Then you want to, of course, check your system, go down to system, go to about, and you will see what current version you have. Mine, I currently have 24H2. Yours could say 24H2 or could say 23H2. So what happened naturally is if you go to the Windows update on the left hand side here, you do a check for updates, turn on the latest version. You can do check for updates as much as possible, and it just will not work for you. Let's say you do that and it doesn't work, it's no problem. No, I'm gonna try to explain what really happened. No, Microsoft actually updates or roll out the updates in phases for the 25H2, and it could be that it does not hit your region just yet, and you may need to wait some time, right? But you can either wait patiently or you can do the steps that I'm about to share with you, especially if you don't want to wait. So there's two ways. I'm going to share with you the natural way, and I'm going to share with you the unsupported hard way without reinstalling or any extra tools. So for those who want to learn how to do it the natural way, if you're not having any issues and you don't mind to reinstall Windows, then I'm going to show you how to do that. Or if you just want to upgrade your PC, or if you don't want to do any of that, I'm going to show you the final way how you can do it without not going through reinstalling any Windows or upgrade your Windows or anything like that. So let's jump into it. So what you want to do after you try to update your Windows, everything is fine, restart your PC. Then you want to go ahead and open up your browser, guys, and you want to go to your Google or whatever and type in Windows 11 25H2 download. Now, if you go to the Microsoft website, you will see here that it says download Windows 11, and the current version that you will get is the Windows 11 Update 25H2. That's what you want. You can either use a Windows installer. You can either use a Windows installer, which you'll click download. It's gonna download a health check to check if your PC is compatible and all this stuff. Check it, and then you can proceed. You can try this one. Then if you don't want to go through this, you can simply use the option to basically use the ISO, and you download this to your PC. And all you have to do once you download this to your PC, you want to go to your downloads folder, right? You'll find it there, and you right click and you mount. It's going to take a few minutes, 3 to 5 minutes maximum. Then it's going to mount, and you will notice that it creates a drive. It's going to pop up automatically in your browser, but you can go to this PC and you will see the drive there. You open it and there's a Windows installer. Double click, you install this. You double click and you install this on Windows, and it's going to go ahead and upgrade your PC. But what if you don't want to go through all of that? Here's a good thing. But if you don't want to go through that, then all you need to do is follow these next steps. Now, I've come across this website. I've already tested it on a second machine, and it actually works. So I want to say a strong thanks to this guy here from Pure Infotech, which they provided the link so that you can easily download this small, tiny app that you need to run, this small, tiny application that you need to run on your PC. So this is for upgrading unsupported 24H2 PCs to Windows 11 25H2. So if you go through the step, which is the first version which I show you here, and you do the health check and it fails, your computer is not supported, so you're not able to install it through that, and you don't want to do it through this option here by downloading ISO and go through all of that, you can use this option here that I'm showing to you. So what you want to do, guys, is simple scroll down and follow the instruction here. And here it's basically telling you that you can go to your Windows 11, you can do the check for updates, you can come here, you can basically, do all of these things and so forth, so forth. So you come here and you want to ensure that you download this file here. So click download right here, and this is work if you're running an Intel or AMD machine. So you want to come here and you click download, and it's going to download a very small file. As you can see, very small MSU file. You wait for it to complete. As you can see, mine is still in its downloading phase, and you go to your downloads folder afterwards, and this file here, you want to go ahead and run this file on your PC. Double click on it. It's going to install on your PC, and I'm going to cancel it right there. But you want to double click and install it on your PC. And once you install this on your PC, guys, just simply go ahead and reboot your computer. Once you reboot your PC, you will see that your computer is now running the latest version of the Windows 25H2. Now, once you do that, it will show up under your system settings here. I'm going to go back here. Keep in mind that mine will not sit right now because I cancel it because I don't want to reboot my PC at the moment, and I want to complete the tutorial for you. But you come here, you go down to about again, and you want to scroll down again, and you will see start to show 25H2. But after that is done, go back to your Windows update, which is on the same window here. Go down to Windows Update here and do a check for update again. Do the check for updates and restart your PC again after all of that, and you're fully updated. So one way is to get it in to say 25H2, but there's going to be updates that you will need to do, or in a moment or two you'll realize you start to get all the updates to your Windows PC. Go ahead and check for all updates. You want to ensure that you check this as well. Turn it on to get the latest updates. After that, show 25H2 and check for updates, and it's going to start to push more updates to your Windows, and so you will not have to worry about reinstalling Windows 11 on your PC, and especially if it's unsupported. Follow the steps right here that I showed you to download this MSU file. You will have it in the description of this video, so you don't need to worry. I'm going to put it there and you will have it. So just simply click download this, and you will be able to do it. And as you can see, the steps are there as well. So it says you need to double click on it to launch that. You run it, guys, then it's going to pop up here and say that Windows Update Standalone Installer. Do you want? Click yes. In my case, I choose no to cancel it. And yeah, once it is done, guys, you want to go ahead and restart your PC. And that's all that you have to do. Wish you best of luck, guys, and I hope that you'll be able to update your Windows 11 to 25H2, even if it's unsupported. Very easy and very simple.